Starting a vlog doesn't require expensive gear or complicated setups. Clear video, reliable autofocus, and good audio make a huge difference when creating engaging content. The best vlog camera on a budget delivers impressive video quality, flip screens, stabilization, and easy portability, helping creators capture professional-looking footage without spending a fortune. Perfect for beginners and growing vloggers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BREGOO 32GB Vlog Camera. The BREGOO 32GB vlog camera is an appealing choice for beginners who want a feature-packed camera without spending a lot of money. Designed with content creators in mind, this camera offers impressive 5K video recording at 20 FPS, along with 4K at 60 FPS, giving vloggers flexible options depending on their shooting style. The 64-megapixel photo capability also ensures that still images look sharp and vibrant, which is great for thumbnails, travel photos, and social media content. A high-sensitivity CMOS sensor helps capture clearer details and better colors even when lighting conditions aren't perfect. One of the highlights of this camera is its 3.0-inch IPS touchscreen that rotates 270 degrees. This makes framing yourself while vlogging extremely easy, whether you're recording a talking head video, travel vlog, or group shot. The durable metal hinge adds reliability, allowing frequent adjustments without worrying about screen damage.
Number 2. Yollner 8K Vlog Camera. The Yollner 8K vlog camera stands out in the budget category by offering extremely high-resolution capabilities normally seen in more expensive devices. With support for 8K video recording and 64-megapixel photos, this camera provides impressive detail for vloggers who want their content to look sharp and modern. Whether you are filming travel adventures, study sessions, lifestyle content, or casual daily vlogs, the camera captures vibrant images and crisp video with solid clarity. A 3-inch IPS display that rotates 270 degrees makes it easy to frame shots while filming yourself. This is particularly useful for solo creators who frequently record talking videos or on-the-go content. The 18x digital zoom allows you to capture distant subjects or scenery without needing additional lenses. It also comes with a 64GB high-speed memory card, which means users can start recording immediately without purchasing extra storage. Number 3. ZYDIIE 4K Vlog Camera. The ZYDIIE 4K vlog camera is designed for creators who want reliable video performance combined with user-friendly features. With 4K Ultra HD video recording and 64-megapixel photo capability, this camera captures detailed footage suitable for travel videos, lifestyle vlogs, interviews, and family memories. Its high-sensitivity CMOS sensor enhances color accuracy and helps produce clearer results in various lighting conditions, making it a dependable option for everyday filming. One of the most useful features for vloggers is the 3-inch touchscreen display that rotates a full 270 degrees. This flexible screen allows users to easily monitor framing while filming themselves, which is essential for solo content creators. Whether shooting from a high angle, low angle, or standard selfie position, the adjustable screen makes composition simple and convenient.
Number 4. VETEK 1080p Vlog Camera. The VETEK 1080p vlog camera is a beginner-friendly option designed for users who want a simple and affordable way to start creating videos. While it focuses on 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, it still delivers clear and smooth footage suitable for YouTube uploads, school projects, family events, and casual vlogging. Its straightforward design and included accessories make it particularly appealing to first-time content creators who want a ready-to-use camera. This camera comes with a helpful bundle that includes a remote control, external microphone, mini tripod, 2 batteries, and a 32GB SD card. Having these accessories included saves beginners from buying additional gear, making it easier to start recording right away. The external microphone helps improve audio quality compared to built-in camera microphones, which is useful for talking videos or interviews. Another notable feature is the infrared night vision mode. Even in very low-light environments, the camera can capture clear black and white images and videos, which can be useful for night recordings or creative projects. Number 5. SJCAM C300 Vlog Camera. The SJCAM C300 Vlog Camera is a versatile action-style camera designed for creators who want a compact device capable of handling outdoor adventures and everyday filming. Known for its durable design and strong recording capabilities, this camera records video in crisp 4K resolution and captures photos at 20 megapixels. The result is detailed footage that works well for travel vlogs, sports activities, and outdoor storytelling. One of the biggest strengths is the camera's impressive battery performance. The camera uses a dual battery system that allows continuous recording for up to 420 minutes on a full charge. This extended battery life makes it especially useful for long trips, outdoor adventures, or full-day filming sessions where frequent charging is inconvenient. Users can focus on capturing moments rather than worrying about power levels. The camera also includes advanced stabilization technology that helps reduce shaking during movement. This is particularly beneficial for action scenes such as biking, hiking, or skiing, where steady footage can be difficult to achieve.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.